Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves. If you like my content or have any suggestions, please let me know, and by all means, make sure you share. The only way I can get my word out is you help me get the word out as well. Hey everyone, this is Tony Reeves, and this is Reeves Point of View. Today we're going to talk about understanding and appreciating how your legal case and the circumstances of your legal case is not a part of your life's journey. When I used to practice law, at some point I would, whether it be for a deposition or a court hearing, my clients would run across these moments where they would be devastated that they were in that situation. Maybe they were working at a job for a long period of time and they got hurt and the employer is giving them a hard time about workers' comp. Whether it's an employment situation where they really liked the job, but they had a boss who was discriminating against them, and unfortunately they had to leave the job and file a lawsuit. And now they're sitting in depositions because they can't quite understand why the employer either won't give them another job back, or more importantly, is not compensating them for the fact that they are now no longer at the job. And I can tell you, in all those situations, there's this moment where you ask yourself, how the hell did I get here? I mean, seriously, like, how did I get here? And so I will always tell my clients, this is the thing I tell them. It's not a part of your life's mission to be here. No disrespect, but no one goes to high school and says to themselves, I'm gonna graduate and I'm gonna get a job. I'm gonna have a bad boss who's gonna give me a hard time. I'm gonna quit that job, have a hard time finding a job, finding another job that makes less, and I'm gonna have to spend the next 2 years of my life suing them and being upset because of the fact that they discriminated against me. And you can see, yeah, I was like, yeah, that's not a part of your life's mission. And I say that not to be funny, but to let people know, don't let that derail the rest of your life. And it's easy for me to say because as an attorney, I've said it to so many different clients and they're like, well, it's easy for you to say. And I told them, I've been in situations like that. Professionally, I have been in a few funky situations where you start to ask yourself, how did I get here? Why am I here? And why is this happening to me? And you're thinking, I've been moving on a smooth trajectory for so long. Why am I being treated like I am, Willy Bobo, And so it becomes demoralizing, and it becomes to the point where you start thinking that your circumstances is a reflection of who you are. You think you deserve it. You think that clearly you screwed up beyond belief, and it is demoralizing. I've had grown men in cases with me crying during depositions and stuff like that because of the fact that they just did not want to be in this situation. And I've had to tell them, your situation now is not reflective of who you are and your life experiences. No one plans to be in this situation, ever. No one plans to be homeless. No one plans to have to couch surf. No one plans to have to ask for money to take care of paying for food because you've lost your job, you've gotten sick, you've gotten hurt on the job, or whatever the case may be, and now you have to rely on other people. No one plans for that. When you're in high school, you would never say, oh yeah, at some point in my life, I'm gonna have to live on friends' couches and ask for money for food because that's what I wanna do for the rest of my life. Now, keep in mind that when these things happen, they are devastating, but they are not death-taking. You are a strong individual, you're resilient, and you are capable of great things. This is just another chapter in your life that you've gotta get through. It's an ugly chapter, it's a rough chapter, but it's just that. A chapter. And don't let this chapter define your book.